Congress MDC of Rambrai Constituency, Bajop Pyngrope, had officially joined the National People's Party (NPP) on the 31st of March 2022. Pyngrope was welcomed by Chief Minister of Meghalaya and National President NPP Conrad Sangma in the presence of Deputy Chief Minister Prestone Tynsong, Cabinet Ministers Sniawbhalang Dhar and Pyniaid Syiem, MLA of Garo Hills Thomas Sangma, MLA of Nongstoin and District President of NPP West Khasi Hills Maxmillan Byrsat, MDC Mawlai Teibor Pathaw, party workers and supporters besides others. While addressing the gathering, new entrant to the NPP Bajop Pyngrope said that his joining the NPP was because of developmental activities brought about by the party in the Rambrai constituency, despite the sitting MLA and MDC being in the opposition.
Dan natakadaw pagbabai ngitip ba ka Rambrai constituency kadai ka constituency jong ka party Congress mensua hendai nganget ba ka jinwan jong ba mapi baro ngin penkala sya ka seat jong ka National People's Party ka West Khasi Hills district kadai ka district ka ba ka NPP ka wan baningkong hapo ka Khasi ba Jantia Hills region. Kini kita kiba perlong yang bangan rong siapa ke National People's Party. Ke parti papioi nadu pelasan hadu mentakas ngi ngim cuai bakinya syurat iwai kata kadai ke National People's Party. Kata kadai ke dau ke ba kering yang bangan rong siapa ke National People's Party pai babai. Ngai ku belai kerpang ye Honorable Chief Minister bagi colleagues jongi kiba priang sobha yang bangan nyalong dukhat jong ke NPP. Bang aku baru bangan num tray ke NPP tangha Rambrai jerngam hendrai ha borok kawai ke jela. Ngan tray sitam bangin penkia we kan ya ka party. Bad da ka jeng tray sitam jonga jong pi ngin penpai ya ka vote share jong ke NPP sya san pau persen house nam arajar arpulai. Kata ka di ka thong ka bangadan ka mensiem jonga ba kata ka di ka thong ka banga ngakwa bang mapi we ba pinelet syaki yeng kisam syaki shinong syaki yau gihat ba pin pensap priang yang kanya kubor bangin ya tray sitam baka MPP kan yok sensyar marwai house nam arajar arpulai kata kadai katong ka bang ibu nganwan keniat sakimat jong ka development ka konstituensi Rambrai jerngam kadai ka konstituensi kepala syara hadu kata-kata nadu snam arhajar layos ngau kata ka Nongstoin Rambrai kersyai caigau highway dan siu compensation house nam arajar arpawar hadin arpawar snam ngin yo shisha yang kata ka highway hakaba layalam kemat na ka NPP ke sarkar kini gini kita baro ki banga ngarung sapa ke parti NPP nado arajar snam arajar la initiate ya ka surok Rambrai kersyai caigau hendrai hadin arpusa arsnam ka urlong ngatrai yo piang ngalam lir hendrai baro ki pajba kitip baka compensation kalapai siki account jongki bangingat ba syan nginyo ban traino e kan surang la siang rong na Rambrai syadu maudo na maudo syadu nang thumai la siang rong na pa Rambrai syadu thep kse la repair na pa riwyang syadu syalampi ngintangi lasuk kalit kawan kita kidai kita kimat kiba kan ka party kala tray walang idana ka opposition ki ahi ka development joko constituency jongi dengan nget hawat dangdon sa sisnam nganget ba kindang bun ki kampenroy ki ba kane ka party kan the apa constituency jongi.
Conrad Sangma, while welcoming the MDC of Rambrai and his supporters to the party, stated that at all levels, leaders of the NPP have been working without ego, and this is one of the driving forces that is taking the state forward in many ways than one. He added that teamwork is also one of the strengths of the party that has been working regardless of any region, tribe or community.
I take this opportunity to welcome a very young, a very dynamic and a very, very promising young leader, Bajop Pyngrope, who is the MDC of Rambrai constituency, and also would like to welcome all his supporters, all his leaders who have joined the family of the National People's Party. Bajop, once again, on behalf of the National People's Party family, I take this opportunity to welcome you to the National People's Party. I was really amused just a few minutes back when Awang, our Deputy Syiem, had made that statement. And I would like to also just add to that. Any organization or any political party is made up of human beings and individuals. Everybody will have their own views on a stand. Everybody will have their own opinions about a certain issue. But it is the organization's character, the individuals in the party, their character, that will define whether those issues or those differences will make the party weaker or make the party stronger. And I'll tell you that the biggest difference or the biggest plus point that I tell everybody that the National People's Party has, among many other points, is that the leadership, at whatever level it may be, we don't move ahead with egos. There is no room for ego or no room for misunderstanding among us. Yes, there may be differences. I may feel that certain issue must be approached in a certain way. Somebody else may feel that it must be approached in a certain way. But what is important is that we have to keep in mind the ultimate goal and the vision of the party, the organization, which is to serve the people of our state, our region, and our country. And no matter what situation we face, and I can tell you that we have faced many, many difficult situations. But the reason we have been able to move ahead and come out stronger is because of the character, because of the qualities of the different leaders who are present here on the dais. I'm not saying that we are perfect. Absolutely not. I'm not saying that we don't make mistakes. But I can assure you that whatever situation we face it together. Whatever we do it together. And whatever we do it for the people and for the state of Meghalaya, for the region of the Northeast and the country as a whole. And that